Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kapwing AI for auto captions and highlights step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Kapwing, www.kapwing.com. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up link to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your new account. After entering your credentials, click the login button. Wait a moment as the website processes your information. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Kapwing dashboard. Look for the option that says Tools or Create New Project. Click on that option to start a new project. In the project menu, find the feature for auto captions or highlights. Select your preferred option to proceed. Upload your video file by clicking Upload or dragging and dropping your file into the upload area. Wait for the video to process. Once processed, the auto caption feature will generate captions for your video. Review the auto-generated captions for accuracy. Make any necessary edits directly in the text editor. You can adjust the timing and placement of the captions as needed. After finalizing your captions, look for the option to generate highlights from your video. Select the highlights feature and follow the prompts. Once all adjustments are made, click the export button. Choose your desired video format and resolution. Wait for the video to render and download. Your video with auto captions and highlights is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.